Let's draw cute Owleez and learn colors. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Asma Art, where you can learn how to draw, paint and create amazing drawings step by step. My name is Asma and I love to share my passion for art with you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something fun and exciting to do on this channel. So grab your pencil, brushes and colors and let's get started. Learn colors. So blue, purple, green, yellow, orange, pink, red, brown, red, yellow and sky blue. Zoo. Coloring time. Pink, light pink color. It's light pink color. P-I-N-K, pink. Light pink color. Now I use dark pink color. It's dark pink color.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Blue. It's blue color. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue. Brown. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Kids, it's brown color. It's light blue color. Light blue color. Okay, that's all for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Asma Art, where you can learn how to draw cute Owleez and learn some colors, and it's amazing artwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more fun and creative videos. And remember, you can always color your dreams. So see you next time. Bye bye.